What's up guys, welcome to this mermaid cupcake tutorial. So first I start with two different colors of green, a darker green and a lighter green. Each color of fondant I add in Tylose, I add it to my mold and then I take it out carefully. And now the same thing with the pink. I add a light shade of pink and a dark shade of pink and I kind of marble them together and I add them to my mold and then I take it out and it's a cute mermaid tail. And same thing with the blue, light blue, dark blue, and they both have Tylose powder in them. I marble them together, I add it to my mold, and look how cute it is. So once you do that, set them aside. You want to let them dry nice and hard. I am letting mine dry on a cookie sheet. I usually let them dry for about a day or two. You really want them to be nice and hard so they can stand up straight into your buttercream. Right now I'm laying them on some Zenlogy parchment paper and I'm using some cake shimmer, and these are by Poppy Paint. And the color is Mermaid, how fitting. And I'm just dusting them and you can see it gives them a cool sparkle and a really nice shimmer. You can see the difference here side by side. The one on the left does not have any and the one on the right does. All right, let's get into it. So I have my cupcake here and I'm using a round piping tip and I just have some white vanilla American buttercream. I just pipe a ring around the top. And now I have some sprinkles here. I kind of made my own mix of a light green and a dark green, and I'm just kind of adding it with a spoon. I only really need it on the side. Any that's on the top, you won't even see because I'm going to pipe some buttercream on top there. Just kind of making sure I have an even distribution of the light and the dark green. So now I have some teal buttercream that I put into a piping bag with a 2D piping tip. You can either use a Wilton 1M or 2D piping tip. They look very similar. And then you put your mermaid tail right there on the top, and that's really why we wanted the mermaid tail to be nice and firm, because it has to stand up straight into the buttercream. And then here's a time-lapse version of me making the rest of the cupcakes. It's very repetitive, but these cupcakes are so cute. It's really a showstopper at a party. So if you are having a mermaid party, you might want to make some of these cupcakes. Now I know there's a lot of people out there that do mermaid cupcakes, and this was like my second time doing them. So this is just the way I do it. I hope you guys enjoy. Look how cute they are. I'm obsessed. Hope you guys enjoy. Like and subscribe.